Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to recover from identity theft on Experian. Alright, so if you've had identity issues and you're trying to recover from that, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to get that done in a quick guide. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to contact Experian's identity theft support team. So just contact the team and they're gonna help you offer assistance on how to get that done. You can also file a police report. So you want to file a police report to document the identity theft, and you could also dispute any fraudulent accounts on your credit report. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to recover from identity theft on Experian. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.